Usambut Menteri yang baka jala ba Preston tensong badi kemiru ya kata penmi boarding elektrik. Luang baka MeECL Wanrah dak kontrak agreement manhap pynthymmai shisien na benta kabit kabiang kinong teri casual ha katanan. Haba jubab ya kamat ya keren bala Wanrah ling baka 0 hour notice do ba George B ling do MLA ko umroy ha singi ka basan ka dorbar sentral jong yang dorbar. Halo ka jing ki kinong teri MeECL ba Preston luang ba kinong teri casual kidon hado syaja praspa arngut ha katanan. Long bagi nong tercasual link baka kontrak agreement kinyo ya kajing metoy kum ka provident fund medical health insurance scheme MHIS bat kiwe lapan kajing kersan na baro kita khot kayeng dorbat ho ai kajala halor kajing persyang jong katrat ban kentio ya company boarding baru na benta kajing bha jong kinong tre jong kan katrat ha kajala hi baro hoi.
Honorable Speaker, sir, at the outset, I'd like to thank you for admitting this 0-hour notice pertaining to the news item MeECL staff to wear black badges appearing in the Shillong Times dated 29th August 2022. Sir, this news item pertains to the pending demands of the casual employees engaged by the MeECL. And sir, we have learned that there are several meetings that have been had between the employees, and especially on one occasion on the 18th of June 2018, where there was some kind of understanding that has been reached between the MeECL and the employees. In the discussion, the facilities of EPF, ESI and other increments through contractual engagements were also discussed and agreed upon. However, sir, the employees have not seen that these agreements been arrived at and been executed. The employees have again come out in agitation against the delay in the implementation of the mutually agreed terms and conditions. So this news item definitely reflects the fact that the employees are agitated and they want to know as to what is the status of the mutually agreed terms as on 18th of June 2018 and whether the MeECL still has the intent to implement those agreed terms. So with these few submissions, I request for clarity on the issue from the Honourable Deputy CM, sir. Thank you.
Deputy Chief Minister.
Mr. Speaker, sir, at the outset, I would like to thank Sri George Bilingdo, Honorable MLA of Umroy constituency, for bringing this 0-hour notice under the caption MeECL staff to wear black badges. Sir, in this regard, I would like to inform the honourable member of this House that all the areas raised by honourable members are pertinent to the demand of the casual contractual employees under the umbrella of the MeECL Progressive Workers Union for regularization of their services and payment of pending areas for the month of October 2018 to February 2019. The matter, sir, is under active consideration and the payment of areas is considered on a priority basis. Sir, the as well MECB had engaged casual contractual workers on need basis. The engagement was for a period of 60 days with 1 day break. Renewal of the casual engagement was made from time to time with the incorporation of the MeECL from 1/4/2010. These casual workers continue to be engaged and are paid daily wages as per the Minimum Wages Act as followed by the government of Meghalaya and adopted by the corporation. Sir, at present there are total number of 1802 casual employees employed in the MeECL and its 3 subsidiaries. Sir, with a view to streamline the engagement of casual workers in the corporation and also keeping in mind the welfare of such employees, the MeECL has introduced a contract agreement with a validity period of 1 year, which shall be renewed annually with the following benefits. 1. Provident fund coverage as per the terms and conditions defined under the EPF Act 1952. 2. Subsidy on coverage of medical health insurance scheme. 3. Casual leave, earned leave, maternity leave. 4. Payment of overtime to the casual contract employees. 5. Enhancement of salary based on the experience, tenure of service of the casual workers in the MeECL and its subsidiaries as below. A. The percentage of enhancement of wages of the employees whose tenure of service is above 5 years but below 10 years is fixed at 5% of the total amount of monthly wages. B. The percentage of enhancement of wages of the employees whose tenure of service is above 10 years but below 15 years is fixed at 10% of the total amount of monthly wages. Sir, the MEPWU, while opposing to the said proposal, has submitted its charter of demand consisting of 10 demands which includes regularization. However, after a thorough deliberation with the MPWU members, pending consideration of the demand for regularization, the contractual agreement of 1 year was implemented and the above mentioned benefits have been extended to all the casual contractual workers. Sir, I submit in this August House that the matter relating to the demand for regularization of 1802 casual workers is of great concern to the corporation and the demands has not fallen in deaf ears. However, before considering the demands, the implication that may arise both legally as well as financially has to be properly examined and not commit any inconsistency in the matter and taking into account with the financial constraint of the corporation. Sir, in understanding the grievances, the government will take adequate steps to consider the demand of the casual contractual employees as per law. So, on behalf of the government, I seek the cooperation and support of all members of this August House in the attempt of the corporation through the Power Department for the progress, development of the power sector and the welfare of the workers working under the corporation throughout the state of Meghalaya. So, with these few words, I resume my seat.